Good day to all of you students. In my previous lecture, we had left off where Pahom was in the process of uh, settling a deal with the Bashkirs and their chief. And the Bashkirs had told him that he could have as much land as his feet could carry in 1 day, and the price for that piece of land would be 1000 rubles. In other words, it means that if Pahom could walk quicker and faster and cover a large tract of land, it would be his and the price would be the same. So it all depended on him. So, but the only condition was that he had to return to the spot before the sun set. If not, all his money would be lost. So, Unit 7 begins with Pahom lying on the feather bed which was given to him by the Bashkirs, but he could not sleep since he was very excited about the land that he would possess. He kept thinking about it, and he thought about how he would mark off that land, and when he would have that land, how he would sell the poorer land and pick out the best, and how he would buy two oxen teams, and how he would hire more laborers, and all these plans were going on in his head. And the whole night he could not sleep but dozed off just before dawn. And before his eyes closed, he had a dream. Now, in that dream, he saw himself lying in that same tent, and outside his tent, he heard someone chuckling. Chuckling is slowly smiling to themselves, laughing. And he wondered who this person could be. And this is all happening in his dream. So he goes out, and he finds that it's the Bashkir chief who's sitting in front of his tent and rolling about with laughter. So he goes to the chief and he asks him what he was laughing at. But when he goes near, he finds it is not the chief, but it was the dealer who had for the first time stopped in his house and told him about the land. When Paham goes to ask him, he sees that it is no longer the dealer, but the peasant who had, who had come up from the Volga to Paham's old home. And when he goes near the peasant, he finds it is not the peasant. But who is it? It is the devil himself. And the devil with hoofs and horns and sitting there and chuckling and laughing. And before the devil, lying on the floor, prostrate, lay a man who was barefoot. And in his dream, when Pahom looked attentively to see who this man was, he saw that the man was dead. And can you guess who that man was? It was he himself. And Pahom woke up horror stricken from that dream. But he brushes aside that dream and he says, well, people dream all kinds of things. And looking around, he saw that dawn was breaking, and he wakes up the person who's sleeping next to him, and tells him that it was time to go outside and start on the journey so that he could measure the land. So the Bashkirs and the chief and all of them, they come together. They ask him to have some tea, but he refuses because he does not want to waste any time, because he has just the time from the dawn to dusk, that is before the sun sets, for him to come back to this place. So he wants to start at the earliest. We'll continue next time.